Okay, so the ones, the tenths, good. 10,000s. What's the 10,000s? Hold on, no, it's not 0. It ends in a TH. 10,000ths. So it's not 0.
Look, it's 10 for 10. It goes.
Well, look, it's 2 lines. See, because there's not 2 numbers down here, is there? So it's 10,000s. Does that make sense? Where's the 10,000s, Nathan? Let's count it. What's this called? What is this called, Nathan? Tenths. What's the 3 called?
It's the last number.
What is this called?
No, there can't be a 10,000th because that's the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and then the thousands, but there's no 10,000.
Okay, this is the ones, the tens, the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. So on this side, it's the tenths. So what's this one? Hundreds. No. Hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Tens. Okay, hold on just a second. Which one? This one right here. So this is, what's the 5?
It's the 5 is the tens.
No, this 5 right here is the what? It's not tens.
The one right there
is in the tens. Yeah, the 5 is the ones. The 1 is the tens. What's the 6? What is the 6?
I know, Mommy.
Well, what's it called?
The hundreds.
Hundreds. Yeah. So what's the 9? What's the 9, Nathan? Tenths. That's called the tenths. What is the 2?
The 2 is the hundred.
So what is the 2? The hundredths. The tenths. Hundredths. What's the 1? What's the 1, Nathan?
The 1 is the thousand.
And what's the 5? 10,000s. Yep. Okay, good job. Let's go to the next one. Not yet. Almost though. Okay, what do you want to do next?
What do you think I should do next?
Any one you want, just pick one.
What do you think I should do next though?
I don't care. How about...
Not one off the blue one.
Okay, how about this one?
No, I don't know how to do that one.
That's why I'm here to help you. Okay, let me show you how to do this one, Nathan. That's 14 times 21. Nathan,
I don't know how to do 2-digit numbers. I only know how to do 1-digit numbers.
Okay, this is 2 things. Why I'm helping you and why we're going back to review before going to 6th grade, okay?
Wait, I can't, well...
Because there's some things that you missed a little bit, and so we're going to go back to review, and because when it got too hard, you got too frustrated. So I wanted to go back and make it a little easier.
Why couldn't we review 5th grade? Because since I was done with 5th grade, then we could call it a review because I've already done it before.
Well, I wanted to review 4th, 5th, and 6th, or 4th and 5th in case you had some holes in the 4th.
Wait, I have to do review 5th grade too after I finish this 4th grade?
Well, Nathan, look at me. It's just review, so it's not a big deal. It should be easier than going to 6th grade. Nathan, it'll be okay. Okay, let's learn how to do the timesing of the two numbers, okay? Okay, Nathan, look. You ready? Nathan, how come you're frustrated that you have to do 4th and 5th grade again as review?
I finished 4th grade and then 5th grade, and I really wanted to go on to 6th grade, but then you took me back to 4th grade and 5th grade.
But when you were doing the end of 5th grade?
We just did 2 years, we skipped them. We couldn't doing 6th and 7th, but we're doing 4th and 5th. I thought you wanted to be down the best education.
Hey, Nathan, listen. You have a little bit of holes because when you got to the top of 5th grade, the end of 5th grade, things were getting too hard and why couldn't we just review 5th grade again? Because it was getting too hard and you were getting frustrated and throwing fits. And so I thought, well, if it's easier for you to do, go back and make it easier for you, maybe you'd like it again and you wouldn't throw fits. But anyway. Okay, this is how...
I like 6th grade more than 4th and 5th grade.
Well, now I know that you're going to throw a fit no matter what. So... but you need to learn how to multiply 2-digit numbers before we go to 6th grade, Nathan. These are some things you need to learn before we go on to 6th grade, okay? If you do it quickly, you can go right on to 6th grade as soon as you finish this, okay? You ready?
And we can skip 1st grade. If we just hurry and finish this, then we can skip 5th grade.
Well, Nathan, you need to do it until you stop banging the table. Until you know all this stuff, okay? But this is good because you'll have it doubly in your brain, okay? You're still way ahead. You're still really far ahead, Nathan.
No, I'll only be 1 grade ahead for the rest of my life.
No, you won't. You're already halfway through with the 4th grade. And you'll be a lot farther if we don't have to spend 15 minutes doing one problem because you're crying and throwing a fit the whole time. We'll go a lot faster if you're just...
But the fastest way is just to go to do 4th grade and I can catch...
Okay, Nathan, we're going to have to talk about this another time, okay? Let me show you how to do this math, okay?
What time did I start at?
Come here. After you do this one, then you can be done, okay? Okay, 14 times 21. What you're going to do is the second bottom number... You're going to multiply the right side first, and then the left side.
I know how to do it. You just multiply the 1 by the 4.
That's right.
Which is 4, but then you already took up the space, so how do you do 1 times 1? Do you just write another number right
1 times 1 is what?
1.
So that goes right here.
But then how do you do this one?
Okay, now what you're going to do is for the second number, since this is in the tens place, look at me, you're going to put a 0 right here because that's the tens place. So and then you go 2 times 4, what's that?
8.
And you write it right here, then 2 times 1, and what's that?
2.
Now what you're going to do is you're going to add these together. 4 plus 0 is... Good.
Can I be done now?
Let's do 1.
I thought...
Oh, you closed it down?
Yeah, you said...
Okay, let's do one more right here.
You said we could be done after that one, Mommy.
I know. I want to do one more like this to help you get it in your brain before we stop.
I know how to do it now.
Okay, do this one then. Do this one and then you can be all done and you can go. If you want to. Okay, hold on just a second. 5 times 3 is what?
And
Wait, what's 5 times 3? 15, but look.
yeah, and
Okay. It doesn't, the 1 goes up here and the 5 goes down here, Nathan. Just like in all of the math. Because look at this, Nathan. Because look, Nathan, look. The 1 is in 15. This is in the 1's place and this is in the 10's place, right? So the 5 goes with the 1, so it's going to go on the right. And the 1 goes above this up here. See? See how it goes above the 10's place? So 3 times 5 is 15. 5 down here, 1 on the top. 3 times 1 is, okay, now do the rest of it. Just a second. You're drawing? Good. Abby, that's so good. I like your drawing. You drew me? Oh, Catherine drew me? Oh, good. Oh, yeah, you draw some other parts? Oh, good job, Abby. I love it. I love it, cute girl. Okay, let's see. 15 times 23. Okay, go ahead and do that one then. What's the first one you're going to do?
Mommy, that's 345.
Okay, so 15 times 3 is what?
No, Mommy, no, you figure out this one, and then I want to see if it's 345.
Okay, it might be, and I think that would be wonderful. I also need you to learn how to do it this way, okay?
Why can't I do it my own way? Why can't we?
Because I need you to learn it both ways, okay? But that's good that you figured out another way. That's really good, Nathan. Let's learn this way as well, okay? See if you can do this way. Come here. I'll help you. You got to put your head up, okay? Nathan, how come you're crying?